Hey, I'm Jeff, and I'm going to teach you an eighth note groove, just like that one you just heard right there. With eighth notes, rather than counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because it's hard to say, we just count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Well, we're going to start off by learning the first 4 hits of the drums. All you got to do is remember what I'm hitting and copy me. First thing we're going to do then, for number 1, we're going to hit our bass drum down here and our hi-hat at the same time. Well, we're going to say 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. The and then that we say, so the 2, instead of saying 2, we say and, we're going to hit the hi-hat on its own. And. So that's going to give us 1 with these 2, and then the and on its own. 1 and. 1 and. 1 and. One more. 1 and. Well, the 2 then is going to be the hi-hat and the snare together in our crossed over position. 2, 2, 2, 2. And just like the first time when we say and, we hit the hi-hat on its own. So we're going to go 2 and. 2 and. 2 and. So 1 and was these 2. 2 and with these 2. Let's try it. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Now I'm playing this real quiet so you can hear me talking, but try and get a little bit of height, a little bit of power. And while you're playing it, try and just say 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Bass and snare and. Bass and snare and. So that's the first half. However, that becomes a beat in its own right. So let's go over to the app and have a look at that. If I go to my favourites, you can see I've already got 8th note grooves up ready for you. And you can see bar number 1 of the 8th note grooves is that exact beat there. If I press play, we can have a listen. We're going to get a count in, and then the app is going to play that perfectly for us at 60 beats per minute. So what we'll do is we'll join in with the app. 3, 4, and we're going to play 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. So we're just going to play it twice to fill the whole bar. 3, 4, 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Now what we should be doing to play that whole bar is we should be saying 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4 and for the second half. So the whole thing will be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And once you're comfortable, we switch off the counting and we'll just play along with this. 3. Now, the great thing about drums, and the reason that today you may have noticed I've got a tom and some other cymbals over here, is when we learn a groove, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we can completely change that groove by simply moving our right hand around the drums. Like if I play here, I've got a different sound. If I go to the right cymbal, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and maybe I go to the crash cymbal if I want to play loud. Or maybe I want a completely different sound, I might go for the top. So let's look then at the second half of that beat. If I skip forward to groove number 3 on here and I play this one, you can see, let's have the counting again. You can see the first half is the same. We've got 1 and 2 and, but now, there were 2 bass drums in a row, right? So we've got to figure out how to go bass, snare, but then bass, bass, snare. So slowly, if we figure that out, all we're practicing there is that instead of the 3 and 4 and going like this, it's going to go like this. So figure that out now. Just try the last times on its own. So it's 3 and, so the and after 3 is both of these, 4 and, 3 and 4 and. So 2 bass drums in a row, 3 and 4 and. Now in its own right, that's a beat that can just go round and round, and you've heard this in songs before, right? So that's the way to learn this. 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4 and. Now eventually then you do the first half, 1 and 2 and then 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, with the app, the great thing is we can work on the speed of this by going into the increasing mode. So what's happening here is I'm going to go from 60 and try and go up to, say, 200 beats a minute. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it, well, every time you do, let's say 2 reps of the groove, so it gets through this quickly. You'd probably do 3, 4, 5, 8 if you can. You're going to speed up by, say, 10 beats a minute. And again, if you were practicing this and you're new to this, you want to do that a few beats a minute, not 10, all right? I'm just doing this to show you. So when I press play at the start of this, then it's going to start at 60 beats. It's going to go around twice at 60. Then it's going to speed up by 10 and speed up and speed up. I'll do my best to stay in time with it, and you join in with me, right? I'm going to let it run once on its own. So that's the first loop. Then I come in the second loop. Right, I'm going to switch up this microphone. Just got there. I nearly dropped out at 200 then. Okay, so you can see it's good fun practicing along with those. You can take it real slow and just go a little bit faster, a little bit faster, a little bit faster, a little bit faster. Or if you want to, you can do like I did. You can go loads faster, loads faster, loads faster. Make sure you've got the Drumr app. Get on your drums. Go have fun. I'll see you next time.